हेलो बच्चों, क्या हाल चाल। बढ़िया एकदम। सो once again welcome to my fresh class about electromagnetic radiation. Students, electromagnetic radiation, another name is electromagnetic waves. In electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic waves, these five terms are comes. Okay, so first term is wavelength represented by lambda, then frequency represented by nu, then velocity represented by c or v, amplitude represented by capital A, then wave number represented by nu bar. So first term wavelength. What is wavelength? Before know about wavelength, remember a thing. That thing is, students, electromagnetic radiations or electromagnetic waves goes on three style. This is the style of simple wave. Okay, this is the style of simple wave. This is half wave, full wave. Half wave. Mix one full wave, then one half wave, mix full wave. So this is simple wave. Then speed wave, when waves are in speed. So this is the speed wave. Okay, then lazy wave. Students, this is the lazy wave. Distance of normal wave or simple wave is normal. Then distance of speed wave is highest, then simple wave and lazy wave. So distance of lazy wave is low, then simple wave and speed wave. So students, what is crest and what is trough? Students, suppose this is wave. Okay, suppose this is wave. So this is students crest, because this is present in the top side of the normal level. This is normal level. Suppose this is student C, not C. I see not. This is C, in which fish are present. Okay. So this is students our upward wave, then downward wave. Okay. So students, crest means the maximum upward displacement. This is crest. And trough means the maximum downward displacement. This is trough. This is crest. This is trough. Okay, the maximum upward displacement is called crest and the maximum downward displacement is called trough. Okay, so what is wavelength? What is the definition of wavelength? Students, definition of wavelength is the distance between two nearest crests. Students, this is crest, this is trough. So definition of wavelength is the distance between two nearest crest to crest, or the distance between two nearest trough to trough. This is wavelength represented by lambda. Okay, this is wavelength which is represented by lambda. Then our student second term, frequency. What is frequency? Okay, so students, frequency, a wave pass through a point in 1 second. Suppose this is a place, this is a point. Students, in 1 second, distance not given, only this is a place. In this place 1 point is given. So in this point, in 1 second, how many waves passes? Suppose 50 waves pass through this point in 1 second. So frequency of radio, frequency of electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic wavelength is 50, because in 1 second, in this point, in 1 second 50 waves passes. So because of this reason, the frequency of electromagnetic radiations or electromagnetic wavelength is 50. Okay. Then students, our three terms. Velocity. What is velocity? The distance traveled by the wavelength in 1 second. Suppose distance, students, given, not point. Students, in frequency a particular point given, but in velocity not given the particular point, only given the particular distance. Okay, so in this particular distance, in 1 second, how many waves are passes through this distance? This is the velocity. This is the velocity. So students, velocity given by c or v, velocity given by c or v. So c equal to v lambda, and students, v equal to c by lambda. This is the formula of velocity. And students, frequency is represented by nu. Frequency is represented by nu. And students, 1 CPS equal to 1 hertz. 1 megahertz equal to 10 to the power 6 hertz. And 10 to the power 6 hertz equal to 10 to the power 6 CPS. This is the unit of frequency. Okay, and this is all about velocity. And students, comes to amplitude. What is amplitude? So for students, the maximum height of a crest and maximum height of a trough is called amplitude. So for students, when simple waves, this is simple waves. So the height of this wave also normal. This is the height. Speed wave. Which waves height great? Students, speed waves height is highest great. This is the speed wave height, highest height, largest height. And lazy wave, this is lazy wave. Lazy wave height, least short height. So this is the maximum height of speed wave. Okay, so students, amplitude, the maximum height of a crest. Among these three, which have maximum height? Speed wave has maximum height. Not particular speed waves height, maximum height is called amplitude, or speed wave maximum trough height called amplitude. Waves, normal waves maximum height is called amplitude. Okay, so students, amplitude unit comes with cm, and at last wave number. How many waves come in 1 unit distance? In this distance, in students, in velocity, a particular distance is given, not given particular point. Particular point not given, particular distance given. Then wave number, distance, unit distance means, students, this distance may be 1 meter or maybe 1 cm. Okay, so how many waves comes in 1 unit or 1 distance? Wave number is represented by nu bar. Wave number is represented by nu bar. Okay, so in 1 unit distance, maybe the distance is 1 meter or 1 cm, how many waves passes through unit distance? This is the wave number of students, electromagnetic radiation. Okay, so nu bar equal to 1 by lambda. Students, lambda answer comes with angstrom. 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So when this answer comes with meter, then nu bar equal to meter inverse. This is all about electromagnetic radiation of 5 terms: wavelength, frequency, velocity, amplitude, wave number.